The aircraft maintenance technician is a critical role at Delta. Delta's Technical Operations Division, or TechOps, is responsible for maintaining the safety and mechanical reliability of more than 3,000 Delta flights per day. The aircraft maintenance technicians, or AMTs, maintain aircraft, engines, and components in accordance with technical manuals, as well as requirements set forth by Delta, the FAA, OSHA, the EPA, and civil aviation authorities from around the world. Our TechOps team not only ensures the safety of the customers that fly Delta, but we also provide maintenance services to over 150 other aviation and airline customers around the world. There are 5 divisions in TechOps and hundreds of departments, and every role is critical to supporting our operation. In line maintenance, AMTs maintain, troubleshoot, and perform checks on active aircraft. This is a fast-paced environment, keeping our aircraft in the air, all while never compromising safety. In base maintenance, AMTs conduct routine, scheduled maintenance activities so that we continue to supply industry-leading performance of our own fleet of more than 850 aircraft, as well as the many customers that we serve. In engine maintenance, AMTs repair and overhaul both Delta and customer engines, run them through extensive testing in our state-of-the-art test cells, and release them back in serviceable condition. In cabin maintenance, AMTs ensure that aircraft interiors are well kept, maintained, and functioning, providing an elevated onboard experience for our customers and flight crews. Finally, in component maintenance, AMTs repair and overhaul different key repairable Delta and customer components and release them back in serviceable condition. AMTs must be able to research, read, and interpret technical manuals in order to perform these maintenance activities in a compliant manner. Paperwork and documenting work performed is also a necessary job responsibility. Depending on where you work in TechOps, this may include the aircraft logbook, routine work cards, non-routine work cards, serviceable parts documentation, or shop orders. Ensuring accurate documentation of work performed is a critical part of the job. Finally, aircraft maintenance technicians must serve as a technical expert or mentor by providing advice and corrective recommendations to others. Above all, they must perform all work activities in accordance with established laws and regulations, standards, safety protocols, and procedures to ensure safety is never compromised. In return for all of your efforts, you can build a rewarding career with the world's best airline, work in a team environment where members truly support one another, and find opportunities every day to serve others. There are many reasons to join the most awarded airline, from progressing your career to specialty teams to enjoying industry-leading benefits like competitive base pay, 401k with company contributions, profit sharing, well-being programs to support physical, emotional, social, and financial well-being, and incredible travel perks for you and your eligible travel partners. Ready to start your climb? Visit delta.com/techopscareers today and apply to become a part of the Delta family.